Hi YouTube. Basically I'm making a video of my girlfriend cooking dinner. Let's see what she's got cooking. Beef stir fry. What else does she have going on? Some rice, and to add in that rice, some bacon, green onions, and scrambled eggs. So what all have you added to your stir fry? What's all in there? What all have you put in there? Yep.